All right, in this video, I'm going to be repairing the hose on my Dyson DC66. However, this is applicable to various other types of Dyson vacuums. It's not just the 66, and you can see it's being ripped. I've put tape on it 2 or 3 times now, and it just keeps peeling apart over time. And obviously the hose is really bad. I'm going to try and do a hose repair maybe in the next video, but I'm just going to replace this hose because it is in very bad condition and it's about 10 years old now. So first thing I'm going to do is just remove the the vacuum wand attachment. And I got this straight from Dyson.ca. I usually get things from Amazon, but the Amazon parts were almost $40 and this was about 40 bucks as well. And I saw quite a few bad reviews on Amazon about some of the Dyson hoses or knockoff Dyson hoses that they're selling. So I figured just get the real thing and pay the extra $5 to $10 Canadian. It's a good deal. So I'll put the links in the description for that as opposed to on Amazon. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out the canister for the vacuum. And that's really the only thing that needs to be disassembled to do this. It is all held in place by one little clip, and the clip is right there. So that's what you need to depress and then pull straight up on the hose. And there's the equivalent one on the new one. So I'm going to push that clip in and pull up on the hose. It can be a little bit sticky. You got to give it a bit of a good tug, and that's it. So there's the hose removed from the vacuum. And there is a bit of a gasket in there. It's sort of a foam gasket. So just make sure that that's seated properly and that there's no debris on top of the gasket. There's another shot of it. You can see I do have some debris on the gasket, but I just use my finger to pick out the debris, and then I'm gonna insert the new hose. Now, the new hose has that one clip on it, and you do need to depress the hose until that little clip locks into the receptacle for the clip on the vacuum. So just put it in that hole and push it in until that little clip locks into place. I had to give it a pretty solid shove down in there, but that is pretty much all that there is to it to fixing these hoses. And then obviously I'll take the wand and insert that back into the hose, and everything's gonna fit perfectly because it is factory parts from Dyson and it's not the imitation or knockoff parts. I don't know where that little piece of metal came from, but I'll throw it in between my concrete pavers and then obviously replace the canister on the vacuum. And that's it. Super fast, super easy. Overall, like I said, it cost about $40 Canadian for the hose, and that's a Dyson factory hose. And this hose, I really don't think it's worth repairing. Hopefully in one of my future videos, I'll do a video on how to repair the hose if that's the route you want to go. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.